how to check bus time in Google Maps. So if you want to check bus time in Google Maps, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Google Maps. Now, after opening your Google Maps, you need to just simply go with search, which will be in the top, and then search for a location. After searching for the location, you need to go with directions, which will be right here on the bottom. Tap on directions. And then you need to select your location, like your start location and your end location. And here, as you can see that you will have three options, right? So you need to go with the first option, which is the bus option, or you may also have a train option or any other options that are available in your region. So go and select the bus section. Once you've selected the bus, you will have the bus time if it is available in your region. So from here, you'll be able to check your bus time in Google Maps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.